Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Philips Hue for lights and routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Philips Hue for lights and routines, begin by downloading the Philips Hue app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it on your mobile device. If prompted, allow the app to access your location and Bluetooth. On the welcome screen, select Get Started. Next, choose whether to set up a new system or connect with an existing one. If you are setting up a new system, ensure your Hue bridge is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Tap Set Up New System to initiate the process. The app will search for your Hue bridge. Once detected, follow the on-screen instructions to press the button on your Hue bridge. After connecting, you will be prompted to create a Philips Hue account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the app and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you can start adding your lights. Select Add Light and follow the provided instructions to connect each light to your system. You can now create routines by tapping on the Routines tab in the app. Choose the type of routine you'd like to set up, such as a wake-up or sleep routine. Customize the details of your routine, including the lights and timing. After configuring your routine, save it by clicking Save or Done. Explore additional features within the app to maximize your experience. Remember to keep your app updated for the best performance and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.